Hello, first graders. For math, we are just doing another day of telling time to the hour. Tomorrow we'll go into time to the half hour. So some reminders here. Remember, the long hand is called the minute hand, and the short hand is called the hour hand. So the hour hand always tells us what time it is. So right now it's 8. And the minute hand is going to tell us how many minutes. When it's at the 12, that means there's 0 minutes, so it's o'clock. So this is showing us 8 o'clock. You can write it out as 8 and then the word o'clock, or you could write it like this with your 8, your colon, and your 0, 0. So reminders of that. Let's say I move my hour hand over to here, and my minute hand is still up here at the 12. So this means it is 3 o'clock. If the minute hand's pointing at the 12, that means it's 0, so it's o'clock. 3 o'clock. How about this one? What time would this be? Your hour hand's pointing at the 10, so it'd be 10 o'clock. So if you can, practice writing times with someone at home. So this is just another review day. I will have activities on Seesaw for you to do to practice telling time to the hour. Either drawing your hands in, or writing the actual time with the number, the colon, and the 2 zeros after that. So be practicing time with someone at home to the hour. And if you wanted to work ahead a little bit, you could think about telling time to the half hour if you guys want to go over that together at home. And again, like I said, there'll be Seesaw activities. And don't forget that we also had this workbook page, or lesson 9.6, which starts at 543, and going through. This is where we're just talking about the hour hand that day. So don't forget to get that done. Take pictures and send it to me. And also the pages today, the actual worksheet, it was a front to back page that had time to the hour. One side was writing the actual time on the line, and the other side was putting the hands on the clock. So again, just make sure you're reviewing how to tell time to the hour. There'll be activities on Seesaw for you. And I will see you tomorrow then when we talk about time to the half hour. See you tomorrow.